What if I told you that your thoughts could shape your reality? That the life you dream of is already within your reach? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's called the law of manifestation. And today, we're diving deep into its history, how it works, and how you can manifest the life you desire. The history of manifestation. Manifestation isn't some modern self-help trend. It dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Hindus, believed in the power of thoughts and words. The Vedic texts talk about sankalpa, which means setting a strong intention. Even the Bible says, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." Even Einstein hinted at this idea when he said, "Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it." So, if everything is energy, including your thoughts, then what you think, believe, and focus on can influence reality. Crazy, right? But science backs it up. How manifestation works, the science and logic. Alright, let's break it down. The law of manifestation works on 3 basic principles. 1. Thoughts become things. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. The more you focus on something, the more energy you give it. 2. Feel it before you see it. Ever noticed how athletes visualize winning before they even compete? This is because the brain starts aligning their actions toward that outcome. 3. Action is key. You can't just sit on a couch and wish for a Ferrari. You have to take inspired action toward your goals. There was a fascinating experiment by Dr. Masaru Emoto. He studied how words and thoughts affected water molecules. Water exposed to positive words formed beautiful, symmetrical crystals, while water exposed to negative words looked chaotic. Now, think about this. Our body is 70% water. Imagine what our own thoughts are doing to us. Real-life stories of manifestation, still skeptical? Let's talk about real people who manifested their dreams. Jim Carrey's $10 million check. Before becoming famous, Jim Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered. He kept visualizing it. Years later, he got a movie deal paying him exactly that amount. Oprah Winfrey's story. Oprah manifested her role in The Color Purple by deeply believing it was meant for her, before she even auditioned. Sarah Centrella's vision board. She went from being broke and divorced to traveling the world and living her dream life, all by using a vision board and the law of manifestation. How you can manifest anything. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Be clear on what you want. Write it down in present tense. Instead of, "I want a successful business," say, "I am running a thriving business." Step 2. Visualize daily. Spend 5-10 minutes each day visualizing your goal as if it's already happening. Step 3. Feel the emotion. Your feelings amplify manifestation. If you want wealth, feel abundant now. Step 4. Take inspired action. Follow the signs, meet new people, and take steps toward your goal. Step 5. Trust the process. Doubt blocks manifestation. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. The future of manifestation. With advancements in neuroscience and quantum physics, we're starting to understand how deeply our consciousness impacts the universe. Imagine a world where schools teach kids how to harness their minds for success. Imagine technology that amplifies positive thoughts. The future isn't just about machines, it's about harnessing the power of our minds. Final thoughts and call to action. So, what are you waiting for? Start manifesting your dream life today. Comment below. What's the one thing you want to manifest this year? And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Remember, what you focus on, expands. Until next time, keep believing, keep visualizing, and keep manifesting.